was talking to a guy in the shop just yesterday about this. And apparently bully mullet won't eat a lure. Now you can't tell me that I accidentally foul hooked that straight through his mouth.
We got all the gear and no idea, still we keep coming back each year, laughing loud with the salty air, living life without a care. If you see us out here, give a cheer, we'll raise one up right here. Yeah, all the gear and no idea.
Alright guys, welcome back. Nice chilly morning. Real proper cold morning this morning. I forget what the temp was when I got up this morning, but I did take a screenshot of it, so I'll throw it up. But we're going to start off we've got the last of an hour of a run out tide, so I'm just going to flick plastics along a rock wall, see if we can try and catch a small schoolie or something like that. And we'll go from there. Just pelting it right up along that wall because that current's pulling pretty hard. There's a few fallen boulders down there we've got to watch out for, but yep, we're on. Oh, it's an estuary cod. It's a gold spot estuary cod too. These ones are protected. Ooh, you got some teeth in there. Oh, coming up. Those are gold spot estuary cod. They're protected. They have to go back. Let's try again. Just throwing the paddle flex 4-inch. Oh, I move over here and there they go again. I can't believe that. Come on. Oh, keep going, keep going. Keep. 4-inch plastic in a much 10-inch mullet. Yeah. Oh, I don't believe that. I'll give you guys a look. That's just a big mullet school just sitting there. We're just waiting. Hopefully with some big jewel, something, just buff into it. I've got a plastic sitting in there at the moment. I can feel all the mullet hitting it. Oh. What is that? Now, honestly, I was talking to a guy in the shop just yesterday about this, and apparently bully mullet won't eat a lure. Now you can't tell me that I accidentally foul hooked that straight through his mouth. That's a bully mullet on a 4-inch plastic. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? I think that's a trevally. Still in the trevally. Alright, you aren't playing the game, so we're going to switch it up. Just tied on a little blade, try and chase a broom. Oh shit! Oh, why do you hook them on like here? Oh, I think this is another trip. Oh, come here. Hook him in the side. Little trip on the blade. Uh-oh. That one's a bit bigger. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh, he did me. Damn it. Oh, 6 pound. 6 pound. Couldn't hit me on the heavy gear. Again. Again. Yep. Oh, that's a good one again. Come on, come with me. No, he's gone. Oh, man. Back the drag off, and I just tried to get him to come with me. Oh, my God. He's just straight in under the bridge. Oh, I felt that one go around the pylon. Not monsters. Yep. What's that? It's barely even fighting. Oh my God. Little tiny Moses perch. Come out. Little tiny Moses perch. Oh my God. I haven't got one of these things in a freaking long time. Definitely not a lot. Good old butter brim. Butter brim. Big school of mullet. Arena in the river. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, stop it. Put a hook in me, I swear to God. Oh, you got razor sharp teeth. Oh my God. Oh, dodgy hand too. Well, that's a first for me in the river. Look at that mouthful of teeth. Yep. I don't know what this is. Hasn't done much. Oh, it's another estuary cod. This is a black spot estuary cod. Like, technically, it's only the gold spot estuary cod that's protected. Black spot's not. But as a general rule, I just let all the estuary cod go. So I'm getting my hook. Spat crabs up all from a boat. There's crabs all down his dollop. I don't know if you can see that, but little tiny crabs.
Sun's coming up on a glass of bay. Tennies lined up, gonna chase the day. Got a rods in the rack and a brand new reel. Don't ask me how, but it looks unreal. Bait in the SD piers on ice. Talking big game, rolling dice. We're kings of the ocean, or so we say, till the fish all laugh and swim away. We got the hats, the hooks, the shiny new gear, but not a clue what we're doing out here. We got all the gear and no idea. Cast it out and hope they appear. Lines get tangled, egos bruised, still crack a laugh. Got nothing to lose. The sunrise glow to the last cold beer. We're running wild out here, yeah. All the gear and no idea.
Alright, guys, that's it today. Gotta get home now, so hope you enjoyed it. And better luck next time. We didn't get the fish I wanted, but we still got some in the end, so that's alright.